So I bought this bike, and I don't know how or what happened for the bike to be out of alignment, but if I look straight, you can see that the right side is going forward and the left side is pushed in, showing like the bike, there's a ghost, sort of like there's a Ghost Rider canister in the bike right now. But if you look here in the front, as we get closer, the wheels are straight. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix this problem right now, how to align this bike so that everything can be straight. So the first thing we want to do is not unscrew the bolts from the top triple tree clamp. However, you want to get lower and focus on the fork bolts on the lower triple tree clamps. So you have 2 on that side and you have 2 on this side. This is a 1/2 inch socket that I have here on, and small extension with my ratchet. Don't want to loosen the bolts too much, but just enough for the lower triple tree clamp to have some play for the forks. So that should be good enough, right? And then see something here. Then what you want to do is hold the front wheel between your knees and turn the forks with one hand. It's not easy, but let me put this down for a second. So let's see now. See that? It's not completely straight, but it's way better than before. And look at the front wheel. Still, well, it's a bit twisted to the right, but it's that method that we want to use. We want to keep the front wheel steady and turn the forks, because the way how these forks are constructed, they're made straight, right? It's going down straight. So because it's made straight, when you ride forward, you want to be going straight. You don't want to be going left. You want to go right. When you go straight, you don't want to feel like you're camera steering. So you definitely want to go straight. So with that method, and when you're done, you want to make sure that you screw your bolts back up when you feel as if your handlebars are straight enough. Same thing goes for the left side. You want to make sure that you screw those back in, and that's how you align your motorcycle, street bike or cruiser.